a fan of our semi-permanent supernatural shades, we've got something brand new that you're gonna love. When your hair color starts to fade, use our color depositing conditioners to keep your hair looking wild. 4 new love colors: Black Cat, Burmese Brown, Copper Kitty, and Havana Brown, with the same creamy, nourishing formula to keep your hair color looking fresh while moisturizing at the same time. We recommend Burmese Brown to refresh Bat Outta Hell and Cattail. Copper Kitty is a great match for Psychedelic Sunset and Tiger's Eye. Havana Brown will refresh Cobra or Cattail. And use Black Cat for our darkest colors, Raven and Blue Panther. Or try them out over your brighter colors to make a more natural shade that's perfect for back to work or school. Keep your hair color looking fresh in as little as 5 minutes with Manic Panic Love Color. Check it out on our website, manicpanic.com.